Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service which I deployed on my website freemediatools.com. So basically this service will be a advanced random text editor, something like Notepad that you work inside Windows. So basically if you go to this service here, you can see it's a very advanced editor. Basically it performs the functionalities of a Notepad here. We have the line numbers showing here. You can see the interface of this editor. So if you just write something here, you will now see basically at the bottom side you will see it will show you the number of words that you have written, the number of characters that you have written with spaces. So you can see the value is increasing as you are writing here. So basically it's a static tool based website which is made inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I made it from scratch. So I'm just giving it for a little bit price. You can go to the description of the video if you want to purchase the script here. You can just monetize this website with Adsense. You can just see we can download this, so it will download it inside the text file. So I can open this text file here. You will see whatever you have written, it is successfully saved inside a text file. And now if I want to change the font, you can also change the font as well. If you want to increase the font size, you can also increase the font size as well. So I think it's a tremendous tool-based website which I have made inside JavaScript. So if you want this tool-based website, guys, I will definitely recommend that you will be able to purchase a domain name and you can deploy this tool. So very simple deployment is there. So a single index.html file is there. So if I need to open that file which I created, guys, I can even edit that file as well. If I open this file here, you will see it will open that. I can make changes here. You can see you can also create a new file as well, like this. You can open a file, existing file, like this. You can make changes and then click on download button to download the modified changes. So it will download it to a different file here. It will save it. So very little operations are performed here, very basic editor, but still I think it's a very good opportunity for you to basically purchase a domain name and deploy this tool. So you just need to add your own test content alongside with the image guiding the user how to use this tool. It's a very basic tool. So you can see it's a text editor, and you will be able to understand also how it is made. So it is purely made in JavaScript. You can go to the video description to purchase this tool. After you purchase it, guys, let me show you the thing that you will say. So you will get this, basically this one. Let me show you. You will get this file, guys, text editor.html. So whenever you purchase it, you will get this zip file which is called as notepad editor.zip. So you just need to extract from it. So a single file will be there, text editor.html. So this is the real coding that I have done, guys. You will see to make this online tool website that I deployed here. So you can monetize it with Google AdSense or any ad network to actually earn some money from this tool. So I think it's a tremendous tool, tremendous opportunity for you to basically earn some AdSense revenue from this tool. So you can place advertisements above this tool or below this tool, like this here. So you can see that. So you can see you can make changes here. So no server side code is involved, guys. You can see that all the JavaScript code is there. You will see that we are using the file reader API to basically do this process. So I think it's a very tremendous tool out there. You can see that we can click on new. We can open an existing file like this. You cannot download this as well. So like this. So tremendous online text editor, guys. And if you want to purchase it, the link is given in the description of the video. I will definitely be very grateful if you purchase it. If you have any sort of problem after you purchase it, I will definitely help you by my email address. So full refund will also be given if you are not happy with the tool after you purchase it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.